on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious and very tasty vegetarian recipe, Ram Tori or Ram Turai, or we can call it Ghiya Tori. It's very easy to make and it's super delicious. I got two of these. I'm going to wash it, pat it dry. I'm going to peel it. Then I will cut into small pieces, and it's very important. After cutting, you don't want to wash it. 1 onion, ginger, garlic, green chili. I made a paste and I will use 1 tablespoon. All of the spices will be 1 teaspoon each. Cumin seed, garam masala, cumin powder, salt, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. And we're going to use olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Ram Tori, Ghiya Tori, I cut into small pieces. And let's start making our delicious Ram Tori. Get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil, and you can use any vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. We're going to bring cumin seed, jeera. We're going to cook it. This is good enough, and now I'm going to bring the paste, ginger, garlic, and chili paste, and we're going to cook it for like 20 to 30 seconds. We just want that garlicky flavor to go away. And this is good enough. And now I'm going to bring onion. Mix them well. I'm going to cook our onion for a couple of minutes. Cooking our onion for 2 minutes. This is all we need. We're going to keep the onion fresh. And now I'm going to bring all the spices. Mix the spices with the onion. After mixing it well, we're going to cook our spices along with our tadka for 1 minute. And this is looking good. Now I'm going to bring Ram Tori, Ghiya Tori. This is very delicious sabji. And now I'm going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with our tadka, now I'm going to bring the gas on medium. And we're going to cook on a medium gas for 5 minutes. And every minute or so, keep stirring so it won't get burned at the bottom. So keep turning. You don't want to cover it, because if you cover it, then it will be more mushy and also it will release all the water. A lot of people do prefer they are adding curry like the watery. When I like it, or my kids, they like it dry. And the dry tastes much better than the curry. So please try both ways. I do have a posted video on my channel with curry. So please check it out. Our sabji is all ready within 5 minutes. So quick and easy, and it's nicely done. Turn off the gas and I'll dish out. I have my serving karai ready and I will bring it. This is very delicious recipe. Please try it. This is perfect. I'll share with you. Our quick and easy Ram Tori Sabji, Ghiya Tori Sabji is all ready. You garnish with red onion. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is so tasty and so delicious and super quick sabji. Within 5 minutes. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.